Back to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite graphic designer, Tech. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this amazing simple hair salon flyer. Now I'm going to take you through the design process. It is not difficult, but rather it is as simple as you can imagine or think. If you'd like to know the step-by-step process on creating this design, I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video. So guys, I've launched my PixelLab. Click on this icon so that we can increase our canvas. Go to image size, change it to 10113. Beautiful. Click on this last icon, go to color, give it a white color. That's amazing. Okay guys, let's import the image of those ladies. Okay, this is the image. Beautiful. Now stretch it again. Okay, make sure it's at the edge. Duplicate it, delete the one behind. I'm sure you know the reason why I had to duplicate it. In case you don't know, whenever you duplicate a picture on PixelLab, it tends to reduce the quality of that image. So the only way you can retain the quality of that image is by duplicating it. Okay, then lock it. Now I want us to bring in our grid lines. We'll be using our grid lines for this design in order to maintain accuracy and precision. So place it here. Okay, that's okay for now. Now the next thing we need to import is this stuff. Hope you can see it. Yes, just place it at the edge and go ahead and lock it. Now let's bring in the logo of the brand. This is the logo, so let's crop these unnecessary parts out. Okay, reduce it, place it here. Okay, reduce it again. It's okay though. Now the name of the brand is called Comfort Hair Place. Comfort. Okay, bring it down. Go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font for this write-up, and the name of the font is 6L Decorative Regular. In case you don't know how to install font into your PixelLab, I'll be dropping a video in the description that would help you to learn how to install font into your PixelLab. It is very simple. Now let's give this write-up a color. Go to your color. Now I want us to pick a color. Yeah, let's pick the color of this hair for that write-up. Okay, beautiful. Then place it there for now. Comfort Hair Place. So go to text. Let's quickly write hair place. Hair place. Okay, click on OK, bring it down. Go to font. We'll be using Metropolis semi-bold. Then reduce it. We're still going to give it that same color, so go to color, click on that color, Now go to line spacing. Now go to position, take it up. Okay, now go to the size, reduce it a little. Okay, and go to position. Okay, beautiful. Now the caption for this design is hair zone. You click on text, hair zone. Beautiful. Bring it down, increase it, and leave it that way. Then go to font. We'll be using 6L decorative black. Okay, let's use 6L decorative bold. Okay, beautiful. Increase it, reduce it a little. Okay, place it there and go to color. We are using that same color. Now there's something else I want us to import again. I know that you can't see it, but don't worry, you are going to see it. So this is what we just imported. Take it down. Okay, place it there. Now I want us to increase it. So increase it, stretch it again, reduce it a little, increase it a little. Okay, it's okay. Then go ahead and lock it. The reason why I brought that stuff in is so that our design can look beautiful. There is this look he gave to the design. Okay, let's import something else. This is what we are going to be using for the design. It's actually a promo design. That is why we are using this 50% sale off. I don't know if I'm correct, don't mind me, but it's actually a promo flyer. But then this flyer is a fictional flyer. Please make no mistake about it. It's a fictional flyer. Reduce it a little and bring it down. Leave it there. Now let's create a shape. Increase the radius to 16. Okay, that's okay. So place it here, reduce it, it's okay. And go to color. We'll be using that same color. This is the color we'll be using. Now I want us to write, you will also get take it down. Using this stuff, free gifts. Like I said, is a promo flyer. Free gifts. Take it down. Free shampoo. Bring it down. Free delivery. That's okay. Just place it here Now let's reduce this shape a little. Okay. And turn the color to white. And go to font. We'll be using Metropolis. Okay. Now let's reduce the weight of this font to Metropolis regular. Beautiful. Now reduce it. Okay. Increase it a little. Sorry about that. Now go back to test. The space here is much. Okay. Go back to edit again. I think we're going to leave it that way. Okay. Okay, leave it there. Now go to spacing. Increase it, yeah. Don't worry. Then reduce it a little. Now for that shape, take this to the other side, bring the shape down, drag it down a little, then bring back this right up, increase it a little. That's okay. Now the next thing we need to bring in is this. So crop this unnecessary parts. Beautiful. Reduce it. Increase it a little. Place it there. Okay. Now we're going to write offer ends 10th July 2025. Offer ends bring it down 20th July 2025. Like I said, it's a fictional flyer, please. Oh, it's a fictional one. Go to line spacing, I guess, reduce it a little. Now go to font. We'll be using Metropolis semi-bold. Go back to line spacing, increase it a little. Okay. Then reduce it. Place it here. Change the color to the usual color. Yeah. And the next thing I want us to import is our social media handles. This is it. So bring it down. Place it there. Take away your grid lines. As you can see, we are done with this design. Now for the image of the ladies, let's take it up a little. Okay, that's okay. Beautiful. So guys, we are done with this design. Please, if you know that you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. Lastly, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop new content, so that YouTube will notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for being here. Before we edit it, make sure you save as image, ultra, save to gallery. Okay, now let's edit the image on Snapseed. In case you don't know how to install font into your PixelLab, like I previously mentioned, check the description. You are going to find a link, and that link will take you to my other video. So let's import the image. Click on pop, beautiful. Go to tools, click on tune, increase the brightness, increase the contrast, increase the saturation, shouldn't be much, increase the ambience, increase the shadow. We are done here. Now the next thing I want us to do is increase the structure, then sharpen it. So guys, we are done. If you want to gain access to the design resources, all you need to do is to join my Telegram group. So check the description. You are going to find a link that will take you to my Telegram group. Do not hesitate to click on that link so you can join, and as soon as you join, you are going to have full access to the design resources. Thank you so much for being here. It's still your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. I love you guys. See you in my next video.